What's going on? It's your girl Raquel, aka Lilcutenurse, and I'm back with another video. You know what it is? Yes, this is sensational. I call it Zaila. Her name may be something different. If your pronunciation is better, cool, but I say Zaila. She's a lace frontal unit. Look at all that. Look at all that lace you get right there. That natural, supposedly hairline, but it looks natural enough. But you don't have to put a little concealer or something in there, because you know how Sensational working on getting their lace to be the right shade, right? But other than that, this baby is absolutely gorgeous. If you want to see the specs, the ins and outs of this Cloud 9 Zaila unit, I keep saying Zaila, y'all keep on watching, and I have the specs, the ins and out, and everything you need to know about this baby in the video. Okay guys, this is how the unit comes packaged. Swiss Lace Cloud 9. What is her name? Ooh, is that Zaila or Zila? She is cute, y'all. She is cute. I like both styles this model rocking. Let's go ahead and open it up and see what we're working with. Cut the tag off. Oh, she is cute. Oh, look at them curls. Look at them curls, baby. Okay, let me quit talking and get in here. Let's check out the hair. Oh, that's pretty. That is so freaking pretty. That is pretty. Not too shiny. Let's look on the inside, see what we're working with. We got 2 combs here. 1 comb in the back, and get a, you know, pretty good amount of lace. I don't know about that lace color though. I don't know how that's gonna work out, but you know what, I'm gonna go ahead and fix that right now. I'm just gonna get trying to find the foundation I want to use. You know what, I think I'm gonna use my Fenty foundation and just tap it. Let me show you how I'm gonna do this. I'm gonna put some on the back of my hand, about that much. That's probably too much. And I'm just gonna take one of my, you know what, I want to use this little one that I always use, this little MAC stippling brush, and I'm gonna put it all throughout this cap, because that brown, this off brown, it just don't work for me. I know it don't work. So to save us both some time, I'm gonna go ahead and take care of this little easy fix situation. And then if it's the wrong color, if I got too much or it looks too strange, you know, I can just wash it out later. But usually this Fenty foundation, for whatever reason, it don't look right on my skin, but it looks wonderful, perfect in my wigs. So that's what I'm gonna do. See, you can already tell that's just perfect. So I'm gonna go ahead and cut the lace off, and I'll be back in a second. Okay guys, I got the lace off, and this is my kind of hair. I have nothing to do with it but pop it on, fluff it out, and mind my own business. Okay, so let's get this do-rag off. Yes, I've already prepared my hair and my little bitty edges. Y'all look at them edges. That girl got some good edges now. Ooh, 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 ooh. Okay, let me quit making this video longer than it needs to be. We're gonna go ahead and pop this baby on. Yes, talking about natural. This is super natural. Nice snug fit. It's real lightweight, y'all, too. I'm thinking I want a center part. Let me get my powder. It's just my, it's dirty. Ignore it. But, what is this? The Hello Happy Benefit Foundation Powder. Yes. I think I want a center part. I know I want a center part. Let me get a smaller brush. Easy, quick fix. Easy, quick fix. This is cute. This is nice. This is sexy. Sex. I don't really want it to lay flat, so I'm going to leave it just like this. But what I am going to do, y'all, I'm going to spray this part because I don't want it moving around on me while I'm out and about. And it's kind of windy too. So I need it to stick real still right where I want it. I want it to be flat. I still want it to have some bounce and be behaving. But I just don't want it to just fly off my head with the wind, you know? That wouldn't be cute at all. Get my little brush because I don't know where my old, oh, I got another new one too. Oh, I'll share it with y'all. I'm going to do like a, I don't know, maybe a everything haul because I done bought a lot of stuff and got a lot of stuff I want to share with you guys. Oh, yes, this is cute. I know, y'all, that's my favorite word to say. I can't help it, but when I like it, I like it. You know what? I'm going to put some of this NARS. This is in the shade of Monday concealer in that part. I just want it to look a lot straighter. A lot more intentional, if that makes sense. And a few of my grids, I don't want to see them. I just want to get rid of them. And this concealer gonna do that for me. And widen my part up a little bit. That's what I want right there. I don't want it to lay flat. This is cute. This is nice. This is, what is the word? Natural. Really natural looking. You know, minus the too much concealer I put right there. We gonna just ignore that. Don't y'all, you know. As I always say, don't do like I do. Do better. But, yeah, this is pretty. Okay, let me try and let y'all see the back. This is for a night out somewhere. That's what this is for. Yes. I kind of do want it to lay down just a little bit. Just a little bit. I don't want it to be plastered down, but I want it to be, I don't know. I don't know the word I'm looking for, but I know what I want it to do. Uniformity is what I'm, yeah, like that. That's what I want it to do right there. real tangled either. I don't see any shedding, girl. This is a go-go. This is a go-go. That's how I want to rock her, just like that. Y'all, I'm worried about my hair flying off because I'm finna go make a few runs, a few stops. Bath and Body Works, Walmart, Kroger's. Yeah, it's finna get bad. So that's my estimation of the situation, and y'all know what I'm talking about. So I'm finna go stock up on my food, my water, my drinks, because I don't think I'm gonna. Don't hold me to this, but I don't think I'm gonna be running out any this year. I think I'm just gonna focus on school and get that done. I'm talking. Okay, y'all. This is the end of this video. Y'all know I will start talking in a minute. This is the Zaila Swiss Lace unit by Sensational Cloud 9 series. She is cute. If you're interested in her, you can pick her up at Sam's Beauty. Okay? Y'all stay blessed, and I will see you guys next video. Bye, guys.